What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit your all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle family, and turn motivation into millions. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake social media platforms out here. People scamming, people making fake pages, acting like me. So please get a FaceTime verification call or video before you send your money to anybody to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So, y'all know I'm the credit sauce gem guru. You know I just like dropping gems. Y'all know I like to get people together. So today, I'm going to drop some more gems. I'm going to drop some more information that I know you guys need, that I know you guys are going to want. And today, everybody out there that be trying to clean their own credit, everybody be looking for credit letters, everybody be looking for dispute letters, how to write them, what to say, this and that, right? So today I'm gonna give y'all some sauce. Today I'm gonna give y'all some gems. Anybody out there that need credit letters, that need credit dispute letters, and what to say and how to type them, I'm gonna show y'all how to get them generated by AI. Yes, I'm gonna let y'all show y'all how I'm gonna show y'all how to make an AI type out or make your dispute credit letters. All right. And a lot of people probably don't know about this, or people probably do know about this, called M2 Phenom. So basically what this program is, you're going to get your credit report from where you can either get your own credit report or they're going to direct you to the same site that I showed you guys before. And they're going to get your free credit report. You're going to take it over to this site right here, put it in there, and let the AI generate your credit dispute letters for you. All right, so it's a lot of people out there that's trying to clean their credit. It's a lot of people out there that's starting to watch my videos and understanding the importance of credit, personal, so you can leverage your personal credit to your business credit and start getting the credit cards, loans, and lines of credits that you guys want and need so bad. All right, and a lot of people don't understand business credit is easier to create and build than a CPN. And there's a lot of different ways out there. There's a lot of people doing a lot of different things. But I'm gonna show you how to really become an entrepreneur. I'm gonna show you how to really become a boss, a queen, somebody that's really out there trying to get some money. All right, because I want to see everybody make this money off credit. The rich get rich off credit. The poor stay poor because they know nothing about credit. The rich get rich because they understand to use other people's money, and that's the bank's money. The poor stay poor because they work so hard to save money to buy one thing and spend it and be right back at square one. Don't that make sense? So, credit, personal credit and business credit, two different things, two different utilizations, all right? So a lot of people don't understand. Personal credit is meant to be utilized and leveraged towards your business credit. Your personal credit is supposed to be in a good standing so you can leverage towards your business credit. Now, a lot of people watch me when I make these bad credit loan videos, these second chance video loans, these just poor bad credit loans period, credit card videos too, and which is possible. But in the real world, when you understand business and how business works and business credit, no one gets personal loans. Everybody gets business loans. What they do is they build their personal credit to a certain point, and then they leverage it toward their business credit, and they start maxing it out, point blank period. So when I be discussing these trade lines and lines and authorized users, well, I'm telling you guys about these trade lines and authorized users because at the end of the day, when you get things on your credit from, let's say that auto loan you got, that mortgage loan that you got, those credit cards, when you know what I'm saying, all those are trade lines, and when you add trade lines with the same power to your credit without actually having those accounts, you're just paying on them, it's the same effect, if not better. So what I'm saying, go to tradeline.com and add 4 to 5 of those credit accounts on your credit. But you got to make sure you add them the right way. So the first account going to be a small one. The second one going to be a little bit bigger. The third one going to be a little bit bigger than that one. You get what I'm saying? Boom. Then you go add you them installment loans from Credit Strong, them revolving credits from Credit Strong. You start adding your rent to creditrentboost.com. You add those Hullus and credit and stuff. You literally add all those to your credit account and get auto pay. I guarantee your credit will be so good. You'll be like, man, I wish I would have knew this before. It's gonna make you want to start teaching credit and building people's credit and getting paid for it. I promise you, if you guys take the steps that I give you, from cleaning credit to building it, from Tradelines to AUs to how to go on these sites and freeze your credit, I promise you, you'll start seeing results. You just guys let it marinate. You just gotta let it, you know what I'm saying, work is magic. It's not overnight, it's a process whenever you're doing it, right? So for all my people out there that's looking to clean their credit, that's looking to build their credit, that's looking to get their credit together so they can leverage it towards their LLC, their business credit, and start making a lot of money, start getting a lot of funding. Because I told y'all some tricks to the trade already. I told y'all you get your personal credits in good standing. You add a couple of those credit them AU accounts to your credit, some trade lines. You just do the same thing. Boom. You start your LLC, you get it going, you get it funded. Boom. You get you some net 30s. You add some more AU accounts to your business side. You're going to be getting high limit loans and credit cards in no time, because you're going to take the money that they give you and use that to leverage it towards other loans, other credit cards, other merchandise to make more money. Easy as that. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use an AI to generate the credit dispute letters that you guys need, from bankruptcies to evictions to write-offs, late payments, all that. The AIs is really taking over, so y'all better get in where you fit in for real. And I'm going to show you how they can generate and auto-create some credit dispute letters for you, so you ain't got to be stressing out all day, every day, trying to figure out and think of what you're searching, what you're supposed to put in this dispute letter and this and that. This is how the real pros do it for you. All right, so I'm going to show you how the real pros, yes, that's real pros, it's us real credit builders, clean and build your credit. Here go the letter. So without further ado, let's check it out. Okay, this is a site you're going to go to, m2phenom.com, all right? You're going to create your account, and then you're going to log in. So log in. Once you log in, you're going to be up to the portal right here, right? So then you got different things that you can do. So you're going to go down to the onboarding. Once you go down to the onboarding, you're going to import clients, right? So then this is where you're going to upload your information from your clients, right? And there's a lot of different things that you can do. A lot of different things that you can do. So import clients, you can go to this, where you're gonna import dashboard. Then right here we'll say get a copy of your free credit report. They allow you to either do it right here and get it from right here, or just upload with your own. So you go there. Once you go there, you upload it, and it's gonna say generate files. You click generate files, and then you save the file and you send it in. Easy as that. Not too hard, not too difficult, not too, you know what I'm saying, it's too strenuous, right? So make sure y'all go check out this website, get the AI generated, get your credit report generated, so y'all ain't gotta be worried about what to put on these credit reports, so you guys can start getting the credit cleansed and all that good stuff that you need. All right, so without further ado, let's check out M2 Phenom. And I'm holding it down like this. There's a lot of personal information that I can't show, right? So my fault. All right, there you guys got it. Go check it out. Go get the AI to generate your credit dispute letters. Excuse me. Go to m2phenom.com, get your log up, sign up. Either go to Experian.com, get your credit report from there. After you paid your monthly subscription, start tracking your credit score, your credit report. Or after you go to m2phenom.com, you're going to go to dashboard. It's going to ask for get your credit report. You're going to go get your credit report. So how you sign up to the site I gave you in the last video, get your credit report, which is going to allow them to auto-generate your information in there and start generating your credit dispute letters, or having the AI generate your credit dispute letters, all right, for you, so you can mail them off, send them to whoever you need to send them to, and start cleaning up your credit. All right, so make sure y'all go check them out, man. Make sure y'all tap in. If you somebody who need a little help or don't feel like doing all that good work and to just want the AIs to start doing everything for you, the artificial intelligence, make sure y'all tapping in and get you together. All right, so make sure y'all check out that site. Like I said, credit is the #1 money game in the world. As long as you got credit, as long as you got good credit on your personal and business side, you can do anything, you can accomplish anything, and you can really live the life that you want to live, right? So make sure y'all really tapping in and paying attention to when I'm dropping these credit videos, because like I said, you can become a millionaire off of business credit as long as you leverage it and use it the right way. You will not become a millionaire off your personal credit. And I'm not saying nothing not to get your personal credit together, but personal credit really doesn't matter if you're somebody that's trying to make $1 million. If you're trying to make $1 million or more, business credit is where you're going to get it. That's how you're going to get it, because they're not going to give you a $100,000 personal loan. They're not going to give you $500,000 personal loan. I don't think they're even going to give you more than $50,000 for a personal loan. So make sure y'all really tapping in to this business game, because this business credit is really a finesse if you really know how to do it. It's a lot of people who understand it. Once they learn it, they get these CPNs and they do the exact same thing, run up the credit, crash it out. There's a lot of tricks to the trade, all right? So make sure y'all paying attention to these videos. Just make sure y'all paying attention, and y'all gonna get some gems, and y'all gonna make some money, point blank, period, all right? So shout out to all my real supporters, my new fans, my old fans, my new subscribers, my old subscribers. It's because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping this sauce, these videos, and keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all, all right? Also, anybody out there that's looking to clean and build their credit, want to get the credit gems, credit lessons is $600. I will show you how to clean your credit and build your credit. If you want me to do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500, all right, depending on what you want. So make sure y'all tap in. Credit lesson $600. When we do it for you, it's going to start at $1,500. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the seat. Limited gems, $1,200. FaceTime 101s. Limited gems is a limited gems. Y'all already know what's going on with the limited gems, CPNs, credit, how to get loans, how to get credit cards, how to make $1,000 a day off social media, how to invest, everything that under the sun that you want to know what all comes with this. All right, so make sure y'all booking y'all seat right now with the limited gems. Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour, FaceTime. Not FaceTime, in-person limited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. All right, so you come to state to me, it's $3,500. I come out of state, it's $4,500. All right, $500 deposit, the rest of the money we meet in person. All right, so book your seats right now. Also, make sure you book your seat right now. Memorial Day weekend, Miami, Florida, South Beach. I will be there in person, limited gems. Book your seat right now. 10 seats available, $3,500. $500 deposit, the rest of the money when we meet in person. All right, so 10 slots available right now. Miami, Florida. Come party with me. Come get these gems with me. Come make some money with me. Come turn up with me. And let's really turn up and get some money. All right, so meet me in Miami, Florida. Book your seat right now. $3,500, $500 deposit. Seal your seat, and we're going to turn up. We're going to get some money. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that. All right, still looking for people for the production company. I'm still looking for actors, rappers, models, content creators, producers, cameraman, all that good stuff. So make sure y'all tapping in. Music reviews is $200. You ain't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you and your career? Make it make sense. Also, models, make sure y'all tap in. Beautiful ladies out there. You ready to grow? You ready to elevate? You ready to build your platform and your brand? You ready to be seen? You ready to get into it? Really take it up a notch? You know what I'm saying? Tap in with me. Let's put you in all the right positions that you need to be in to win. If you don't got a good attitude, if you don't got your good head on your shoulders, please don't tap in with me. I'm only working with chicks, women that really want to elevate, that really understand that everybody don't know everything, but sometimes you need a little guidance to get your head on the right track, to get your mind on the right track. You can't be corrected, you can't be directed. I don't got time for bad attitudes, thinking you the best thing revolving around the sun. None of us is. Some of us know a little bit more than others. I know a little bit about a lot clearly, so let's just make it make sense. Let's make some money together. Let's win. Teamwork, make the dream work, and let's be successful together. All right, so let's tap in. Cameraman, any cameraman in Houston, Texas, real videographers, meaning that you shoot the video, you go home and you edit the video, you know how to mask, you got good camera, 4K or better, your effects is crazy, your FX effects, tap in. Let's get some money. Let's push out this content. Content equals views, views equal money. Point blank, period. Easy as that. No other way to explain this. All right, so tap in. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, man. Content creators, tap in, man. Make sure y'all just tapping in, point blank, period. Mentorships is $2,500. That's a step under the in-person limited gems. I'm gonna take you under my wing. We gonna make money together. YouTube automation, YouTube channel, all type of stuff. I'm gonna show you everything. So tap in with me, man. Make sure y'all get y'all lessons. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms. Make sure y'all running them followers up on IG. Make sure y'all running them subscribers up on YouTube. And let's continue to win and grow, man. Come win and grow with me. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.